Well, somehow we've got to day 10. Everything seems okay. Nothing's... No more stings anyway. Took the bee suit down to a, I don't know what they call them, seamstress or alterations place. Get some alterations made to it. I think it's going to cost about $100. But still, we've got to have it. And a couple of weeks we'll get it back, and then we should be ready for opening up and doing an inspection. Still don't know what the best format is yet, whether it's this one or the vertical one, but I'll put them both up for a while and see which one's most popular. I haven't had any comments yet about what people prefer, so if you could, if you could see your way clear to just shoot in a comment to say, yeah, vertical, like short form or long form, and that's the one I'll go with. We'd love it if you could subscribe and like and all that sort of stuff too, because apparently that helps the channel get seen by more people. I don't know, I don't understand this YouTube thing all that well yet, but that's what all the other channels say, so we'll go with that. Anyway, busy bees this morning. Hopefully they're making some honey in there, or making babies, or whatever it is they do in this early stage of this colony's existence. Anyway, we'll call it there for today and see what's what tomorrow. Catch you later.